In this video, I'm going to show you how to install fonts in Windows 11. So if you are using Windows 11 as a PC or Windows 10, this is how you're going to do it. First things first, I want you to go ahead and look for fonts. So you can just go ahead and open the font.com, or you can also use Google Fonts. So basically the font is what I use the most. Now from here, I just want you to go ahead and try to look for a font that you think you would like to use. So for example, let's go ahead and use this one here, Spring Nature. Now first, let's go ahead and open Word. And if we are going to click this one here, you see that we don't have Spring Nature in here available. Now I'm going to go ahead and install that one. To do that, just simply hit the download button right here, and you can go ahead and save it wherever you want. Now I want you to go ahead and open that zip file of yours. And then here you should be seeing this one. So Spring Nature, OTF or TTF, both is going to be okay. I just want you to double click it in order to open it, and you're seeing it here. Now I want you to press the install button here. So it is going to install, and as you can see, the install is grayed out. We can't press it, meaning it is already done. So just close this one, and we're going to head back to Word. This time I'm going to highlight this one. I'm going to click the font, and we're going to type here Spring Nature. Alright, there you go. So now we have the Spring Nature here. So I can click it, and you can see that the font has changed. So yeah, that is the only way that you should be installing fonts on your Windows 11. I hope this video helps you out.